At the hotel, Travel English Conversation for Beginners, A1 to A2. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speak English Daily.
Hi, friends. We are so happy you are here today.
Today's topic is very useful for travelers.
Yes, today we will learn English at a hotel.
This is very important when you travel to another country.
Don't worry, we will use simple English.
We will speak slowly so you can understand.
And you can repeat with us.
Before we start,
Please like the video.
and subscribe to Speak English Daily.
Are you ready?
Yes, let's go to the hotel.
Part 1. Arriving at the hotel.
Hi, Lucy. We are at the hotel.
Yes, it looks very nice.
Do you have a reservation?
Yes, I have a reservation.
Great. Let's go to the reception.
Okay, let's go.
Practice.
Repeat after us.
We are at the hotel.
Do you have a reservation?
Yes, I have a reservation.
Let's go to the reception.
Part 2. Checking in. Hello, I have a reservation.
Hello, what is your name?
David Smith.
Yes, I see your reservation. For 2 nights?
Yes, that's correct.
Can I see your passport, please?
Here you go.
Thank you. Please fill out this form.
Okay.
Here is your room key, room 205.
Thank you. What floor is that?
The 2nd floor. The elevator is over there.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay. Practice. Repeat after us.
I have a reservation.
Can I see your passport, please?
Here you go.
Here is your room key, room 205.
What floor is that?
The 2nd floor.
Part 3. Asking about the room. Lucy, what room are you in?
Room 208. And you?
Room 205. We are neighbors.
Nice. Does your room have a view?
Yes, I can see the city.
That's great. My room has a view of the pool.
Nice. Is the room clean?
Yes, it is very clean and comfortable.
Does it have Wi-Fi?
Yes, free Wi-Fi. The password is on the desk.
Perfect. Thank you. Practice.
Repeat after us.
What room are you in?
Room 208.
Does your room have a view?
Yes, I can see the city.
Does it have Wi-Fi?
Yes, free Wi-Fi.
Part 4. Asking for hotel services. Excuse me, what time is breakfast?
Breakfast is from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m.
Great. Where is the breakfast room?
It is on the 1st floor next to the reception.
Is breakfast included?
Yes, it is included in your room price.
Perfect. And what time is checkout?
Checkout is at 12 p.m.
Can I leave my bags after checkout?
Yes, we have luggage storage.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Practice.
Repeat after us. What time is breakfast?
From 7 a.m. to 10 a.m.
Is breakfast included?
Yes, it is included.
What time is checkout?
Checkout is at 12 p.m.
Part 5. Making a complaint. Excuse me, there is a problem.
Oh, I'm sorry. What is the problem?
The air conditioner is not working.
I am very sorry. I will send someone to fix it.
Thank you. Also, the TV is too quiet.
I can help you with that. Let me show you.
Oh, I see. Now it works. Thank you.
You're welcome. Is everything okay now?
Yes, perfect. Thank you for your help.
Practice.
Repeat after us. There is a problem.
There is a problem.
The air conditioner is not working.
The air conditioner is not working.
I will send someone to fix it.
I will send someone to fix it.
Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.
Part 6. Checking out. Good morning. I would like to check out.
Good morning. What is your room number?
Room 205.
Okay. Here is your bill.
Thank you. How much is it?
It is $150 for 2 nights.
Okay. Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course.
Here is my card.
Thank you. Please sign here.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you. Here is your receipt.
Thank you very much. Everything was great.
We are happy to hear that. Have a safe trip.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Come again.
Practice.
Repeat after us.
I would like to check out.
How much is it?
$150.
Can I pay by card?
Here is my card.
Have a safe trip.
Part 7. Asking for a room change. Excuse me, can I change my room?
Of course. What is the problem?
My room is too noisy. There's a lot of street noise.
I'm sorry to hear that. Let me check.
Do you have a quiet room?
Yes, we have a room on the top floor. It is very quiet.
That sounds perfect. Thank you.
Here is your new room key. Room 412.
Thank you so much. You are very helpful.
You're welcome. I hope you sleep well tonight.
Practice.
Repeat after us.
Can I change my room?
My room is too noisy.
Do you have a quiet room?
Yes, on the top floor.
You are very helpful. Part 8. Asking for recommendations. Excuse me, can you recommend a good restaurant?
Yes, of course. There is a great Italian restaurant nearby.
Is it far from the hotel?
No, it is very close, about 5 minutes walking.
What is the name of the restaurant?
It is called Little Italy. Very delicious pasta.
Is it expensive?
No, it is very reasonable, around $15 per person.
Perfect. Thank you for the recommendation.
You're welcome. Enjoy your dinner.
Practice.
Repeat after us.
Can you recommend a good restaurant?
It is very close, 5 minutes walking.
Is it expensive?
No, it is very reasonable.
Thank you for the recommendation.
Part 9. Leaving the hotel. Final goodbye.
Thank you for everything. We're leaving now.
You are very welcome. Did you enjoy your stay?
Yes, everything was perfect. The room was clean and quiet.
That's wonderful to hear.
The staff was very friendly and helpful.
Thank you so much. We try our best.
We will definitely come back again.
We would love to have you again. Safe travels.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Goodbye and take care.
Practice.
Repeat after us.
Did you enjoy your stay?
Yes, everything was perfect.
The staff was very friendly.
We will definitely come back again.
Safe travels. Goodbye.